What's up YouTube, it's Eli and I'm back again with another video today. And as you can see, I got a fresh cut. So I just wanted to make this video and to kind of just give you guys like a quick little update about what's going on right now in my personal life and my day-to-day life. So stay tuned. And I just want to say this, and before I get all of the comments about why you cut your hair so quick, why you cutting your hair so fast, and all that nonsense, I just want to get this out the way. So last year, you guys, I got a cut, and then I went on my 11th week wolf, and then I cut that off in February on the 23rd. So I cut off my 11th week wolf a day before my birthday, and then so that was February 23rd, and then March 13th I had a photo shoot to go to. So, and that was 3 weeks later. So 3 weeks later, after I cut off my 11th week wolf, I got a shape up. I didn't cut nothing off the top, I just got a shape up. That was March 13th, I got a shape up. Now today is April 2nd, and tomorrow is the 3rd, which is my baby shower. And for those of you who didn't know, I mentioned it in older videos, I'm expecting a baby girl in May. So I'm having my baby shower tomorrow, which is why I got a haircut today. When I cut off my hair in February, I cut down to 2.5, and then in March and 3 weeks later, I got a shape up, so I didn't cut nothing off. And now again, another 4 weeks later, now I just got a cut. I just wanted to get that out there because I know, and it's gonna be a lot of people that always, got something to say. They're like, oh, you're cutting your hair too low, and you're cutting your hair too fast, and you need to wolf longer, you need to wolf. I don't want to hear all that nonsense. So I just wanted to get that out the way now. I just got a lot going on with the baby shower, with preparations for the baby shower, and preparations for the baby that's coming in about a month and change. And like just all of that, like I just got like a lot going on, but I'm still posting daily, and some of you guys wouldn't even know that I have a lot of stuff going on because I'm still posting daily. So I still make time to brush my hair and make these videos for you guys. So it don't matter how busy I am, I'm always gonna make time to brush my hair and make videos. So, and that's that. So you guys, let me just show you guys this is how I'm looking today, you guys. I just cut down to number 2. So I'm ready to, and work on these connections, work on my depth, and just work on my waves overall. So, and that was just kind of it, you guys. I just wanted to, and update you guys about what's going on in my life, and, update you guys on my wave journey, and just show you guys this fresh cut. But of course, I'm not just gonna make a video and, do all this talking and not get a brush session. Of course, I'm not gonna do that. So you guys, if you have a brush near you, and pick it up and brush with me. durag.com. Got the best durags in the market. Best silky durags. Use my coupon code for a discount. And after a fresh cut, because I actually never touched on this. After a fresh cut, the first thing you want to do when you come home is get your medium, soft brush, whatever brush you have, or like, if you have a brush that you don't like or you don't use no more, you can use that, and just get those hairs out there. And just get those loose hairs out your hair. Because after a fresh cut, and you have loose hairs, you have all those loose hairs in your head, you just want to brush those out and get a good brush session before you rag up or do anything else. What you don't want to do is wash your hair. Washing your hair after a fresh cut, you will lose progress. Like I was explaining to this person that hit me up on IG in the DMs. He was asking me what to do after a fresh cut, and I said, do not wash your hair. So, he asked, he asked the same thing I just mentioned. And what about the loose hairs? I said the loose hairs, you just need to get a medium or a soft brush or an old brush you don't like and just brush it out. And that's what you need to do. Because after a fresh cut, it doesn't make sense to wash your hair just off the simple fact that you washed your hair about a night or two before you got your cut. So your hair is already clean, no products. So why would you go wash your hair again? And after a fresh cut, your hair is not dirty. There's no reason to wash your head. It just got loose hairs. You just come home with a soft brush like I just did and just get those loose hairs out. You want to brush for about 5 to 10 minutes, sometimes longer. I brush for about 10-15 minutes just now. You want to brush for about 5 to 10 minutes and just get all those loose hairs out and rag up, and you're good to go. You don't need to wash your hair after a fresh cut. And that is the end of the video, you guys. If you like this durag, this is one of my favorite durags, by the way, from their website. And if you like this durag or any of the durags you see me use in my videos, and you guys should know where to get them at by now. And the link is in the description, and I also leave the coupon code and somewhere right here on the screen. Just like, comment, and subscribe. I'm on the road to 1K subscribers, and keep subscribing and turn on the notification. As always, you guys stay wavy.